Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your online identity with LinkedIn, complete guide step by step clearly.
Begin by accessing your LinkedIn account. If you don't have an account, visit the LinkedIn website to create one. Once logged in, navigate to your profile page. Review your profile for accuracy and completeness. Ensure your profile photo is professional and up to date. Craft a compelling headline that reflects your current job or career aspirations. In the summary section, write a brief overview of your professional background and skills.
Include specific achievements to showcase your expertise.
Add relevant work experience, including job titles and responsibilities.
Input your educational background, detailing your degrees and institutions.
Incorporate skills that align with your industry and expertise. Request endorsements from colleagues or connections for these skills. Personalize your LinkedIn URL for easier sharing and branding. Expand your network by connecting with former colleagues, classmates, and industry professionals. Engage with industry-related content by liking, sharing, and commenting on posts.
Join relevant groups to participate in discussions and further establish your presence. Share original content, such as articles or insights, to demonstrate thought leadership. Regularly update your profile with new skills, experiences, and accomplishments. Monitor any mentions or tags to enhance your online presence. Consider privacy settings to manage who sees your information.
If necessary, utilize LinkedIn's support for any account recovery issues.
Maintain a consistent engagement strategy to keep your profile visible.
Follow relevant companies and influencers to stay informed about industry trends.
Remember, consistency is key in maintaining and recovering your online identity on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.